We are now in the middle of another storm right now. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo has been warning us about this one for days. So, Kate, what's the latest on the flooding threat?
Well, Jessica, it's interesting because even though the impacts, of course, with this storm are nowhere near the general impacts that we felt with Sandy, it is 9 years later, and we may challenge the record flooding crest on the Delaware River that was set back in Superstorm Sandy. It was actually on the 30th, early in the morning, that the Delaware River at Philadelphia crested at about 10.6 feet. Tonight, we expect to crest around 10.5 feet. So coastal flooding, certainly the biggest impact with this system that's impacting the area tonight. You can see Cape May, look how narrow the beach is here, the waves crashing along the shoreline. Expect major Back Bay and channel flooding throughout all of the shore communities as well, the Delaware Bay and the Delaware River. Now, most of our smaller creeks and streams and the Schuylkill River that aren't determined by tidal fluctuations will not see flooding with this event, because even though the rain is coming down heavily, it's a relatively short period of rain. We're seeing the rain move in now, and it will be moving out within the next several hours. So we're not expecting widespread flooding. Even low-lying areas, there could be some ponding on the road, certainly, but coastal flooding and tidal flooding, I think, will be the greatest takeaway from this particular storm. Heavy rain, you can see now streaming right up through the Delaware Bay, also pushing all that water right up into the Delaware River. Tidal flooding will begin in Delaware and then travel up the length of the Delaware through the next several hours, peaking in Philadelphia around 9 o'clock. Heavy rain right now in Kent and Newcastle counties, as well as down through Cape May County. High tides along the Delaware, 9:02 at the U.S. Coast Guard station in Philadelphia. Up toward the Tacony-Palmyra Bridge, it's closer to 9:26. And almost 10 o'clock up toward the Burlington-Bristol Bridge. That's when the worst of the flooding is anticipated tonight. Future weather showing the heaviest of the rain in the city between about 7:30 and 9:30 tonight. And then by 10 or 11 o'clock, it starts to shift north. 10 o'clock, heavy downpours in the Lehigh Valley, the Poconos, Burlington County. Then by midnight, most of this is lifting out to the north. We will see a couple of wraparound showers throughout the day tomorrow and maybe even Sunday, but as we run it through during the weekend, not much after tonight. We may even see some breaks of sun tomorrow. Winds right now gusting to 47 miles per hour in Atlantic City, 41 miles per hour in Wildwood. And again, you can see where all this wind is coming from, right off the ocean, pushing all that water, all those waves toward the shoreline and right up the Delaware. Winds will continue through this evening and tonight. After 9 o'clock, they'll start to die down a little bit, but we are still under a wind advisory until 11 p.m. and a high wind warning along the coast, where gusts in the next couple of hours could reach over 50 miles per hour. But you can see how the brightest colors here start to shift north. After 9 o'clock, we start to see the strongest winds lifting to the north, and winds switch and die down closer to the city and suburbs. Tonight, 55, heavy rain and wind. There will be some showers overnight. And then as we head into tomorrow, it does get a little bit better. Clouds and breaks of sun with a few spotty showers, 63 degrees. Sunday, much better for Halloween. Dry for trick-or-treaters. It'll be around 60 at sundown, which is at 6 o'clock on Sunday. Get a little chilly through the later part of the trick-or-treating. And then it's a nice but slightly chilly start to November next week. We'll be right back.